The sixth meeting of the Council of Ministers for Tourism, the OECS, has just been concluded. This is a very important meeting to us. For one, we wanted to share with them the program of activities that the OECS intends to undertake under the 11th EDF funding, and we were able to at least get their endorsement. We were also able to have the ministers, indicate some of their priority areas that will guide us, not just for our work under the 11th EDF, but our work program for the OECS in general. The issue of joint marketing and strengthening the OECS tourism brand was discussed and really got quite a bit of ventilation today. And more than anything else, we came out of this meeting with an approach, an agreement, and we've been putting together a working group who are going to look at how we can do this collectively, an efficient mechanism and approach whereby we can promote the OECS tourism brand on a sustainable basis. I think this was perhaps one of the highlights of today's meeting. We were able also to come together to get the ministers' support and their views for us to move forward in operationalizing the Eastern Caribbean Institute of Tourism, which is a virtual integrated tourism institute that is comprised of centers of excellence for different specialities in different member states. It's a very important project for us, not just for capacity building in the OECS tourism industry, but also to continue to profile and develop our industry as a center of excellence globally. There were some challenges that we've been experiencing with that project, and we were able today to come up with what, in our views, a sustainable model for operationalizing this institute. So these are just some of the highlights that I wanted to share. I think this meeting was a very productive one and has given us guidelines and clarity for the way forward. And it really reinforced our philosophy of integration and sharing, especially with the approach to joint marketing that we are about to explore.